Hey guys, Mr. Review Fan 420 here, coming to you with episode 64 of Mr. Review Fan 420. Poppin' good Buttermax popcorn. This popcorn is packaged in soft plastic, which is recyclable, and there's 150 grams of popcorn in this bag. And this is their life story for anyone who wants to pause and read it. I read it in the 2 seconds I said this. This is a very good story. And then here's some things about the thing. Yeah, that's what you expect from popcorn. There's also GE-free ingredients. And then here's your nutritional label. Very interesting. Let's open this up. As you can see, it's a big bag of popcorn, quite buttery as well. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Anyways, let's give it a taste. Not bad. I do prefer warmer popcorn, but as a bagged product, it's not terrible. If I had to score this, I would give it 30 reflective bag innards out of 60. That's the review. Yeah.